Hello everyone and welcome on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So first of all, my friends, I have to be very honest with you. I'm not so 100% sure about the silver for this week. I will be very honest and just give you that I'm actually just like 60% sure of this signal. That's for a starter, as a disclaimer. So if you guys willing to enter with the big lots, please don't do that because again, I'm not really so sure about it. Let me just tell you why. So for a starter, right now we are actually here on the weekly chart. So as we can see right now on the weekly chart, we have what seems like a head and shoulders pattern, which indicate a possible sell on the silver. The problem here, which actually I have been holding making this video for a long time because I was not really sure, is we already have here another head and shoulders pattern has already appeared, as we can see in the past, back in November, and as we can see the silver just refused the fall and just simply resumed the rise. And also this current price action that we have right here exactly, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Right here again we have here, of course, let me just make it clear exactly, let me just zoom out again. So right here exactly we can see that we had also a channel that the silver has just made here a bullish breakout from it, and that means that the silver has a chance to continue the rise till it reach the peak of that level of a resistance at 34.700. So again, what I can see right here is mix of these two patterns, so therefore I'm not really sure if the silver will continue the fall or not, but in my opinion, from technical view, it seems to be bullish for so many reasons. Again, number one was this broken level of a channel. Number two, and again here guys, I'm still on the weekly chart, is this level of a supported trend line. Even right here, check this out. So here we have a supported trend line. Check this out, this is fantastic. So right here we have, of course, support trend line number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. And finally here, after the bearish breakout happened, we barely have any attempt of a resistance. And then the silver just simply made here over the last three weeks a continuation of a bullish breakout from that level of a support trend line. Oh, sorry, a resistance trend line. And then the market is still now respecting this level of a support trend line. Indicates that the market most likely is going to continue the rise. So again, based on weekly chart, everything here says bullish. Also, if we look carefully, and if you would like to have actually an accurate analysis on it, check this out. Here we have, of course, a resistance zone, as we can see. So right now we can see that the market here actually created a resistance zone number 1, and then number 2. Then we have here one fake breakout from that level. Then the silver again respected the same level of a resistance zone. However, recently over the last week, the silver actually closed above this level of a resistance zone. So another reason to believe that the silver is gonna remain bullish for the upcoming week. Now, let's move to the daily chart. Now, daily chart here also shows that we have here, of course, a resistance level, as we can see. And this is, by the way, my friends, the real level of a resistance, as we can see right here. Then we had here one major fake breakout, which actually was holding the position for around 2 weeks. Then finally, the silver respected the same level of a real resistance level again, ignoring the fake breakout right here, and just simply made here a bullish breakout from this level. And as we can see right here exactly, we can see the first attempt of a support. So again, the silver seems to be remaining to be bullish actually. So that's the reason I'm telling you guys, I'm not really 100% sure. Also right here we can see clearly that we had also a supported trend line, and that is also confirming that the silver seems to remaining bullish. So again, we have here a support trend line number 1, number 2, which also became here a resistance trend line for multiple attempts, then instantly being broken out from. So here we have another 2 attempts of a supported trend line. So again, all of that says the silver is gonna be bullish. Therefore, for this week, we are looking to buy the silver. Now, after confirming the direction based on weekly and daily charts, let's now jump to the 4-hour time frame to find our exact entry. Let's now move on. Right here is the 4-hour time frame. So where exactly is the best level to start buying the silver based on the previous information? Now, if we actually just look here at the recent structure that we have right here, and if we just draw the Fibonacci from this lower low to this higher high, just like that, as we can see, the line which I have just drawn here in front of you, highlighting the real level of a resistance, was exactly Fibonacci 23.6, exactly at 32.153. Now, the silver actually has a chance to fall down again, but I doubt if the silver will reverse exactly at this level. Most likely it will actually be going a little bit more down, and then afterward it will start the rise. Now, the remaining question is where exactly and precisely we can buy the silver. Now, let me just squeeze the chart like this. So first of all, we have to highlight here that we had here of course a support trend line, as you can see. Check this out, right here exactly. Let me just make it accurate. I don't know why the MT4 just keeps changing the line which I have drawn here earlier. Exactly. So actually, of course, I was highlighting this level of a support trend line along with this one, and also matching it up with this previous level of a resistance trend line and these two attempts of a support trend line. So again, what we can see right here is actually the silver might actually fall to reach the same level of the support trend line. But again, I'm stating that there is a possibility it will go even more down before it starts the reversal. So where exactly we can start buying the silver? Now, for this matter, I'm going to apply the Fibonacci just on right here, the recent structure which we have right here after the bullish breakout happened right here exactly. Let's do that. So we will just apply the Fibonacci just like this, and now delete the old line so it will not confuse us. Let me just 1 second, guys, delete the structure, this level here, delete this one, and delete the, okay. So now as you can see here, we can notice that the silver actually have a chance to fall down to Fibonacci 50, which is going to be the maximum where the pair can actually fall to before start the bullish reversal. And if we look at it, it actually complies with the previous level of a support level as well. So here we have, let me just zoom in to show to you. Here we have a real level of a support, Meanwhile, we had here several fake breakouts on that level, which means this is going to be the strongest level of a support where we can actually buy the market from. Exactly at 31.997. Come on. Let's make it 32 exactly right here. Therefore, we have to wait for the silver to fall to another 48 pips before we can proceed to buy it. That's going to be, in my opinion, the strongest level of a support that we can buy from. And in this case, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging much lower below Fibonacci 61.8. And that means that our safe zone will be ranging for 51 pips only. Now, if we buy the silver at this level, our take profit level can actually be placed right here exactly at the highest level of a real resistance at 33.400, which means our take profit level will be 140 pips against 52 pips of a safe zone. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that's gonna be everything, my friends, for this silver. I really hope it's gonna be a profitable week for everyone. And of course, in the end, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I might tell you here to adjust the entry or the safe zone, just like here when we have sent here a notification about the gold signals. Also, remarkably, here we are actually sending a free signal every single day on this channel. This channel is completely free. You don't have to pay anything at all to join. The channel here is Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So again, guys, please be careful and wise when you are taking this signal. Again, we are not really 100% sure, and we are just analyzing the market in the best way we can ever do. So please consider that this signal might fail, and for that we have to always be prepared. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.